AAdvantage miles can be valuable, but only if you stop treating them like cash. Most AAdvantage mistakes come from assuming miles work like dollars when they don't. A huge sign-up bonus can still be mediocre value if you redeem poorly, because not every flight is a deal in miles. Saver rewards aren't guaranteed, so availability matters as much as the mileage price, and award tickets can still add real costs through taxes and fees. Even expiration isn't a free pass. Miles can expire without qualifying account activity. To earn AAdvantage miles efficiently, you need to know what actually drives your mileage, not just how often you fly. Distance isn't everything, because many tickets earn based on price, and elite status can change your earning rate. Credit card earning is pure multiplier math. 3x versus 1x adds up fast over a year. Partners let you earn without stepping on a plane, and shopping portals can stack miles on purchases you already make. The fine print decides what qualifies. The clean way to judge any redemption is cents per mile, not vibes. Use this formula. Take the cash price, subtract the taxes and fees you'd still pay on an award, then divide by the miles required. Many people aim for a typical range around 1.2 to 1.6 cents per mile, but it varies by route and timing. Premium cabins can spike value, while very high cash prices can make miles shine. Cash-like redemptions usually lag. Award pricing with AAdvantage is fluid, so the skill is learning what to watch. Dynamic pricing means the same route can swing wildly in miles, so tracking a few dates pays off. Saver seats are limited inventory, which is why they disappear first. Even on awards, you still owe taxes and cash at checkout. Partner awards can deliver better cents per mile, but you have to understand the rules and keep miles alive with qualifying activity that resets the clock. AAdvantage works best when you pick a lane and build simple rules you'll actually follow. Decide if you're earning mainly from flying, card spend, or partners, then confirm the routes you'd realistically book before you hoard miles. A practical guardrail is redeeming only when you beat about 1.2 cents per mile using the formula. Don't pay interest to earn rewards. APR wipes out value fast. Also watch fees and use autopay and alerts to stay clean. If your redemption isn't beating about 1.2 CSOLs per mile after taxes, you're usually overpaying in miles. CreditCardAgent shows the real dollar impact of different cards based on how you actually spend, with a personalized match score. Free, about 3 minutes, no credit check. Links in the description.